trying to grab your dick.
Nigga, what?
Look at this dude.
I do got a check engine light on, so that it's gonna stop. Getting my damn tires replaced. I got new ones in the back. I think I got this one brand new.
If you take the spacers out, it's gonna rub even more in there. So the spacers are helping it.
That's what you think.
Does it rub a lot?
When I turn, yeah. Not when I like when I turn this way, you hear it. I'll just be ignoring it. Gotta put gas in this hole again.
Hey y'all, it's Sanaya.
We do not care.
Oh my god, I do not want to show my hair. Like,
Lace front lifting.
please, ain't shit lifting.
Lace front lifting.
Why the fuck you got fire coming out your car, nigga? Like,
he got a goddamn turbo Buick. Nah, these bitches run.
Nice. Damn near every nigga quality. And the prices.
Oh, what's up?
Y'all see this motherfucker, man? Cause I done forgot my keys in this zoo. Y'all see that black this dude, cuz. Man, he got me in the stars in the dens. I feel like a bad bitch.
Yo, nigga did it. I'm finished. I'm fully equipped.
Open the door.
Get the fucking light, bitch. It's too damn cold out there. Ain't nobody got no goddamn hoodie.
There was a hoodie in my car once you got that bitch.
I'm trying to grab your dick.
Nigga, what?
So we all putting in 10? 10 for what?
no money on my card. You are trying too hard.
What the fuck is you doing, cuz?
Damn.
Yeah, you suck.
Wait.
Damn.
No, you just fucking suck.
What the fuck?
That's how the content creator bowl. Oh, fuck.
Oh, man, what the fuck?
This is your favorite content creator, by the way. This is how he bowls. This is how he bowls. He's butt. About shit? Again, you good for something? It just fucked me.
Oh my god. Come on, give me one, cuz. We time for last right now.
Oh, we not. Who the fuck is we?
Miss with me, Luke. Miss with me, Luke. You a bitch. Oh my god.
I need one.
Scrap one, Rob. Damn.
Why you keep recording, bro?
I'll record everybody. Don't be mad you finna strike out. We time for last right now, and you missed that bitch.
Ain't nobody forget nothing?
I got everything in my pocket.
Nobody forget nothing.
This nigga flagging, bro.
Why are you running?
This nigga driving backwards.
Hey, 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 hey
Oh, set up my shit, yeah.
What you just dropped?
How long can you pick that one up he dropped?
Grown ass man dropped the bonnet and shit. You passing this shit around now?
Yeah. Ooh. Nigga whole ass hanging out, cuz. What the fuck? Whole ass hanging out. Like, be so for real. This shit bust a left. Bust it left. Bust a right.
Did you just stop at the green light, my nigga? Oh, you couldn't see.
Hell no, I couldn't see it, nigga. Fuck. Thought this shit was a game, nigga. I'm blind. I'm blind as hell. I'm blind as hell. Nigga got me in fucking. Where the fuck we at? West Bummerfuck. Fucking Daytona. Nigga got me on the west side.
West side, the best side.
Cause this big foot ass nigga done hit the whole light. I'm wondering why it's so dark in the hill.
Oh, my nigga.
Hit the whole light.
I'm playing basketball again. All this shit. Straight.
Cause them little niggas had too much stamina for me.
Bro.
Niggas kept running around. I'm like, God damn.
One nigga with I'm like, hey, chill the fuck out.
Who?
The one nigga in the all black.
Oh, like, oh, the little nigga.
Yeah, bro. That
Little nigga, good.
bro. Tell him, nigga. Tell him, like, you trying so hard to fail that straight down and shit. See that? You need to cut your ass down, my nigga.
Where are we going straight?
Damn!
I can't see shit. So I can't see shit. That man said he was hungry. So I get that man food. Let's be black for a second. I love being black, man. Dolphins gonna hit that bitch. You got a lot of dick, cuz.
I'm dropping Jimmy D.
Drop in Jimmy D.
phones, man?
I'm nosy. I don't know who she's talking to. YouTube, this auto come Daytona right here.
No, we don't act up to this. Happened on Bedford.
But Sean, you ever got your dick so backwards, cuz? You ever want to try it? It's so funny. I don't know, is that gay? Is that gay?
What?
If you get your dick so backwards.
Oh, like, push this. This shit can hurt.
Cause look how that be a wiggle though. My ass fat and it wiggle though, wiggle though. My ass wiggle, nigga. Man, lose your life for shake ass. Lose your life for shake that, yes.
Just go ahead and split right here and make sure it's a deep ass. What's it?
Oh my god, fat man.